Ron, palo nga mic ni mo, Ron.
Ay, sorry.
Pinag-division lang ko. Kanina lang mag-click. Klaro man ninyo ang kano?
Yes, ma'am.
Ano mag siya? Okay, so start na ka-scan nyo?
Yes, ma'am.
So alright, before we dive into the chaos of today's lesson, let's take a moment to calm our brains with a prayer. Scanner, can you lead us the prayer?
For the Son, of Holy Spirit. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the Son, of Holy Spirit.
Amen. So, good afternoon, everyone, or should I say, good day, future expert and science. So, how was your everyone's feeling today? Are you feeling great?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Okay.
Are you ready to rock in this afternoon?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, rock and roll. Okay, so don't worry. I'm sure that some of you here are really eager to learn, no? Tama ba ko?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's make sure that we have all our brilliant minds in the house today. So I will start to recap the attendance. So before we begin, so I have here a basic rules. So first, raise virtual hand if you want to speak. Second, engage in the class to earn points. So I will give points to those students who will actively participate. And next is keep your microphone off when you're not speaking. So kindly mute your microphone if you don't want to speak. And lastly, turn on your camera to show your presence. Now, let me see your face.
Ma'am, kalat yun kayo, ma'am.
It's okay. As long as I see you there na naminaw in our 2 days online class. Wow, ganyan. May pakita nyo mga gwapong-gwapa nga. Face dira So first, we're going to do something a little fun and interactive activity. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so great. We are all ready. So today we're going to look at some pictures and I need you to tell me how each pictures make you feel. So you will respond using emojis, which will be our way of categorizing different categories. If it is go, you'll use the thumbs up. Grow, you'll use smiling face. And glow, you will use the heart emoji. Are we clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ano nga ulit yun? Say it again. What are we gonna going to do in this activity?
Pag-thumbs up kung go, ma'am. Mag-smile kung grow niya. Heart kung glow.
Very good. So that is what you were gonna going to do. So here's the first picture. Take a moment to look at it. Here's the first picture. Is it go, glow, or grow?
Go, ma'am. Carbohydrates.
Wow. I see that you do thumbs up, so it is a go food. Go food? Is it go or glow?
Go.
Go? Can you answer?
Ma'am.
Kaya.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Is this not a glow food?
Ay, glow na yun.
Yes, it is a glow food.
Glow na yun.
Glow food. Okay, so let's here's the next picture. What do you see? Let me see it now. What is your reaction about this picture? Is it go, glow, or grow?
Grow.
Grow? Final answer?
Grow foods.
Yes, ma'am. Why not?
Yes.
Let let me show your smiling face if this is a grow food. Click the smiling face. Click, click, click. Interesting. So this is a grow food. So that's great. Keep it up. How about this last picture?
Grow na, ma'am. Grow.
Grow, grow or go?
Go.
Go, ma'am. Go.
Go foods.
Very good. Tama si Malaki. It is a grow food. Very good, very good. So great job, everyone. Now let's move on to something a little different but related to what you've seen. So I have 2 questions for you to answer. And let me hear your thoughts, and remember that there is no right or wrong answer. Just share what you think. Let's start with the first question. Are all the foods I have shown important for you to eat to have a healthy body? Why? Who wants
Yes,
to
ma'am.
share your thoughts? Guzon? Share your thoughts
Yes, ma'am.
about this question. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why yes?
Kana nga mga pagkaon, ma'am, kay tabang sa unsa kanang katong body para ma'am.
Para? Nice thought. How about the question number 2? With your own idea, which one do you think is healthier to eat and why? Who wants to answer? I will give points ha sa mag-participate this afternoon. Art?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer question number 2. You raise your hand.
With your own idea, which one do you think is healthier to eat and why? In my own idea, ma'am, ang pinaka-healthy kanon ma'am kanang fruits and veggies kay mas dagan man siyang benefit sa atong lawas, ma'am. Mas dagan siyang mahatag nga mga health sa ato, kag benefit sa ato makatabang sa atong lawas.
Very good. So, it is an excellent response, no? So, I love how you think about food and health. So, now that we've gotten a little bit an idea, let's shift gears a bit focused on what we are going to learn today. So, let me share to you our today's main goal. So, Malaki, I want you to read our learning objectives.
Sige, ma'am. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to describe the basic structure and function of carbohydrates, analyze the carbohydrate content of different food products to understand its role in the body, and create a poster reflecting the importance of biomolecules.
So keep these objectives in mind and think about how the activities will help you to understand these important concepts. So now that we know what our learning objectives are, we're going to have a fun activity code. Piliin mo ang tama at sasaya ka. So sana all kayo, no? Pinili pa siya, sumaya pa siya. So for this instruction, I will show you different pictures of food. And your job is to identify which category the food belongs to. Again, I will read it again. I will show you a different pictures of food, and your job is to identify which category the food belongs to. And then you will use these 4 keywords. Just tell me what are the 4 keywords based on this presentation.
Carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acid.
Very good. So that are the 4 keywords. If you know the answer, raise your hand. So are you all excited to start this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start with this first picture.
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate.
Carbs. Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate. Final
Yes,
answer?
ma'am. Final answer.
Final, ma'am. Final.
Final na judge.
Final, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you're right. It is a carbohydrate. So, Asel, why do you think or end up answering that the picture is a carbohydrate?
Kuhan mo, ma'am. Carbohydrate siya, ma'am. Kay nag-supply siya o sa atong lawas o energy, ma'am. O nutrients.
So, what did you observe in the picture? Unsa man nga mga food?
Mga kuhan, ma'am. Mga pasta, ma'am. Na mga wheat, ma'am.
Yes, and wheat came from what?
Bread.
Bread. And bread is made of
Wait.
Diba si bread is made of flour? And flour?
Yes, ma'am. Flour, ma'am. Made of flour.
And flour comes from grains. The grains, it is
Yes.
a sample of a
Wait. Where some carbohydrate.
yes, it is a carbohydrate. So let's proceed to the second picture. How about this one?
Protein.
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 Yes.
Protein.
Protein kaya itlog o breast. Yes.
Final answer, ma'am.
It
Protein.
is protein. So Bilagahan, why do you think or end up answering that the picture is a protein?
Kuan, ma'am. Ang kanang mga pagkaon under is mga highly proteins, ma'am ba? Highly taas sila og protein.
Oh, what food did you observe in the picture?
Eggs, salmon, mga nuts,
Soybean.
chicken breast,
Very good.
karne.
Yes, you're right. How about this third picture? What is this?
Lipids.
Based on these four keywords.
Nucleic acid. Nucleic acid.
Final answer?
Yes, ma'am. I think.
Yes, you're right.
Yes, nucleic acid. Final.
So do you have any idea why DNA and RNA are in nucleic acid?
No, ma'am.
I want to hear someone. Any thoughts lang. Diba na-discuss niyo nitong third quarter? Right? About RNA.
Biomolecules, ma'am. Kay kuan, ma'am, gina-inherit sa atong parents, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So, gina-inherit siya sa atuang parents. So, it means that it has something to do with genetics and formation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
So, how about this picture? What is this?
Protein, ma'am.
Lipids.
Protein.
Lipids, ma'am. Wala na may
I
lain.
hear
Lipids,
lipids.
No choy.
Yes,
Lipids,
you're
ma'am.
right. Wala.
Lipids.
Lipids din siya. So,
Sanay
do you
ako
have
ano,
any
ma'am. Palmon.
of you, can you give your own idea what is a lipid? Ligaspino?
Ang lipids mong kay kanang mga food nga nag-supply sa mong body of sources of energy, ma'am.
Yes, you're right. Naga-give og energy. But always just remember, basta mayingon tag lipids, na aning obvious kining oils, diriya and also mga fats. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
So, carbohydrates, nucleic acid, lipids, and proteins. Do you think it's important to be able to identify the different categories of biomolecules? Why? Who wants to share your thoughts? Mabaso? Wants to share? How about Guzon?
No answer, ma'am.
No answer. Galliano?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer this question.
Do you think it's important to be able to identify the different categories of biomolecules and why? Ano, ma'am, para makabalota if unsay lang mga functions or unsay lang mga mahatag sa atong body, then para makabalota kung asa nabilong atong mga ginapangkaon.
Very good. So, you will say yes, big yes, good no. Because understanding these different biomolecules or different categories of biomolecules, tama to si Galliano, ingon siya nga, it could help us to understand how our body works and what those food provide to our body. Or unsay function, unsay ginhatag nila sa ato ang panglawas. Nakasabot ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes po.
So now, let's take things a step further and also explore a food label. Have you ever looked at a food's nutrition facts before?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Delicious
Dati
protein.
yan, gipurag kaon, le, tanaw-tanaw sa mga kuan, di pang kaon.
Dili mo mo, parang yan. Pinay protein.
Tanon kayo.
Expired na ba? Ika 2 grams of protein, ma'am. Sag-expire, makaon man.
Uy, makadaot siya sa lawas ha. So, knowing the nutrition facts of a certain food, it is a great way to learn more about what's inside the food we eat. Tama ba ko?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I will show you a nutrition fact label. And I want you to take a close look at it. So, after you observe the label, this one, is I want you to get any paper or a pen dira sa inyong mga lamisa ba or sa inyong paghigda man ata ako yung bandiri So I want
Ma'am, wala
you
ko sa balay.
wala ko sa balay. So no, cellphone na lang mga notes. So I want you to identify the biomolecules listed in it, and once you identify and categorize them, answer the following guide question. And I will only give you 3 minutes to do that. And after that, I will pick names randomly. Are we clear?
Ma'am, wala ko sa balay. Wala yung papel rin, ma'am.
Just anything. Any quiz lang. Sketch ba siya or notebook, magsulat-sulat. Basta namin sulatan sa inyong mga na-observe diri and also answer these following guide questions.
Ma'am,
I will...
kita, ma'am. Medyo blurry.
Ano po blurred? So I will admit ha.
Ma'am, maglisag og sulat, ma'am.
Pwede man ma-zoom. Zoom na lang. Blurry gyapon eh. Pixelated siya, ma'am.
Blurred Japon.
Yes, ma'am. Blurred, ma'am.
Pixelated siya, ma'am. Pero, araw naman gamay.
Arang?
Naalay uban, ma'am. Di mabasa. Kay, na ano na.
Mag-send na lang sad ko sa DC para makuha ninyo. Okay lang ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi di pa Japon magkaroon. Wait sa Na-send na.
Klaro, ma'am.
Di Japon.
Hindi, ma'am.
May type it na lang in the How about that one?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that one. Just use that one.
Klaro na, ma'am.
Ma'am, pwede pakibalik sa question, ma'am.
Oh, wait. And also a fiber, we also have a starch. I want Iskander to answer the question number 2. Can you differentiate the simple and complex carbohydrate? Nag-mention naman si Miss Galliano about the sugar, the fiber, and also the starch.
Differentiate the simple and complex ka. Parang ang kanang complex carbohydrates, ma'am, is kanang longer period of time siya energy, ma'am.
How about the simple?
Short, lang siya, ma'am, energy nga ginagahatag.
Yes, very good. So, based sa katong dimension ni Ms. Galliano kanina, what is sugar? Is it an example of a complex carbohydrate or a simple carbohydrates? Sugar. What do you think?
Sugar, ma'am. Complex
Simple,
carbohydrate.
Yes, you're right. It is a simple carbohydrate.
Simple.
How about the starch?
Complex,
Very good, Iskander. It is a complex carbohydrate.
Sorry, ma'am, mali
Simple
ka.
carbs or simple carbohydrates, it give us a quick energy, and tama itong giingon ni Iskander kanina. While the complex carbohydrates, it provide us a steady release of energy. Kasabot, na-different ka balo na sa different
Yes, ma'am.
ha?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
about the question number 2? I want to hear it from Art. What is your answer in question number 2? Where's Art? Wala si Art. How about Juvel? Or Juviel? Kate?
Ma'am,
Answer question number 2.
how do carbohydrates and chips food give us energy and why do we need them? Ano ma'am, kanang nagahata ay kanang sa sulod man gud sa kanang mga carbohydrates nga nasa sulod diha ma'am kay na siya kanang mga basta man kanang sa sulod niya nya kanang nagahatag na siya og energy sa iya nya need tog energy throughout the day kay para dili ta luya-luya ma'am kanang makalihok tagtarong ma'am.
Very good. So we need them because they help us to fuel our daily activities and to keep us to be active every day. So, kani si carbohydrates and chips food, gina-broken down niya ang mga sugar dito. Mo na ginagamit nato sa itong lawas para itong energy. Sabot mo? Ginagamit nato ang sugar for energy sa itong lawas. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
How about question number 3? Who wants to share their thoughts or answer?
Ako, ma'am.
Okay, you may.
Atin daw.
You may. Ito to.
Ako, ma'am. Asil, ma'am.
Atin daw,
Yes,
Dora,
and
ma'am.
share your thoughts.
What is fiber and why is it important in the carbohydrates found in this potato? Ang fiber din, ma'am, kay kuhan siya, ma'am, type of complex carbohydrate daw, ma'am. Yeah, important daw siya, ma'am, kay para sa tong digestive health, ma'am. Pwede pa siya sa tong blood sugar control, ma'am.
Ano pa? Meron
Yeah,
pa?
magpato siya, ma'am, tapos pag kanang potato, ma'am, pag kanon, ma'am, kay do ka ng tagaan ka, kuhan, ma'am, ba? I-feel ka nga, busog ka ng dugay ka kuhan, ma'am, magutumon, ma'am, ba?
Very good, very good. So, si fiber, mo ni siya ang type of a carbohydrate or one of the example of a carbohydrate na dili makapag-digest sa ato ang lawas. But
Yes, ma'am.
it is important ha, because some part it could still help us when it comes to digestion and keep us feeling full, and also nagasupport po sa ato ang bowel movements tong ingon ni Asel kanina. Kasabot?
Yes, ma'am.
How about question number 4? Si Galera nag-raise hand to ganina.
Ma'am, translate na po, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Napisit lang. Okay, Aliza?
Yes,
Yun eh.
ma'am.
Also,
ma'am.
question number 4.
How do carbohydrates and chips food help keep our blood sugar level stable throughout the day? Kuan ma'am, ang complex carbohydrates help maintain stable blood sugar levels by providing a slow and steady nga pagkuan sa glucose into the bloodstream. Ay, thank you.
Very good. So, the carbohydrates in chips food, especially sa complex carb and also sa fiber, it could help us to digesting slowly lang. And also, it helps us to maintain a steady, tama itong gingon ni Aliza kanina, that it could help us to maintain a steady release of energy. And it could help us to stable or having a stability in our blood sugar levels. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Give thumbs up, Gani. Give thumbs up if you really understood the concept or the food label analysis, especially as we intake food. Ngawa ba?
Thumbs up, ma'am.
Thumbs up, thumbs up. Click thumbs up. Alright, so this activity kanina, and as well as this food label analysis, has something to do with our today's topic, which is all about the biomolecules. Is can I read the written in the presentation?
Biomolecules. All carbon-containing compounds found in living organisms. 4 most important elements found in living things: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen.
So biomolecules is, in simple term, it is the building blocks of life. So kita tanan is, it is made of the molecules, all living things. Understood? And the 4 most important elements found in the living things is the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and also the nitrogen. Can you read what is carbohydrate?
Ma'am.
Read what is carbohydrate.
Wait lang, ma'am. Polysaccharides, commonly known as carbohydrates, are macromolecules. Tapos, saan yun, ma'am? Hanap-hanap lagi dito.
Saccharides.
Blurry, medyo mata, ma'am.
Saccharide has, based on the number of sugar molecules they are made up of.
Dili lang ko to. Okay. So, again, I want to ask if na-remember pa ninyo what are the 4 categories of biomolecules based sa ato activity kanina?
Lipids,
Lipids,
carbohydrates, lipid, proteins, and nucleic acid. Nucleic acid.
Lipids,
Proteins,
carbohydrates,
nucleic acid.
and nucleic acid, right? But let's much more focused on the carbohydrate. The carbohydrate is also commonly known as the polysaccharides or the macromolecules. So from the word macro, it means larger or dagko. Kasabot mo, from the word macro, dagko siya nga mga molecules.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
we have this term na saccharides. Say it again.
Saccharide.
Saccharides.
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 So, saccharides, kung ito saccharides, nag-base na siya sa unsa kadaghan ang sugar molecules na nabuo. Si saccharides, again, is mo ni siya kung unsa kadaghan na ang sugar molecules na nabuo. And there are 3 classification of the carbohydrates. The first one is the monosaccharide. And these are the chemical formula of monosaccharides. And you know what is the chemical formula of monosaccharides based on the presentation?
Kuan, ma'am. Carbon 6. Hydrogen 12. Og oxygen.
ma'am. Oxygen.
Okay, so this it is C sub 6, H sub 12, and then O sub 6. So pag maingon tag monosaccharide, it is a simple sugar and mao ni siyang essential subunit of a carbohydrate. And from the term nga mono means one. So it is a simple sugar. So what are the examples of monosaccharides? I want to hear from Daray. Nara diri sa presentation ha. Where's Daray?
Ma'am, ito ma'am?
State the example of monosaccharides.
C12 nga. H22 nga. O11.
That is the chemical formula. How about the example?
Glucose lang, gatang glucose.
Glucose. Ano pa?
Dextrose.
Lactose.
Galactose.
Lactose ma'am.
Galactose.
And then
Maltose.
Fructose.
Maltose.
fructose. Very good. So, glucose, it means muna siya ang dextrose. Fructose, fruit sugar.
Fruit sugar.
Galactose is the kind
Vegetables.
made with the glucose. Let's proceed to the disaccharide. So, what is the chemical formula of disaccharide?
Malt.
C sub 12, H sub 22, O sub 11, 13. Ay, 11.
C sub 11, 12.
Very good. So, these are the chemical formula of disaccharides. And from the word di, it means two. So, it is a double sugar or it is a combination of the two monosaccharides. Duha ka monosaccharides na nag-mix or nag-interact. So, that is the disaccharide. So, what are the examples of disaccharides?
Maltose. Lactose. Sucrose.
Very good. So, it is maltose. Muna siya ang malt sugar or honey. Lactose, it is a milk sugar. Sucrose, it is a table.
C sub 6, H sub 12, O sub 6, N.
Yes, that is the chemical formula of polysaccharides. Kung si monosaccharide isa ka sugars, disaccharides duha ka sugar, si polysaccharides it is a much complex.
Daghan ma'am, daghan.
Yes, daghan. It is made up of two or more sugars. So what are the examples of polysaccharides?
Starch.
Glycogen, cellulose,
What?
Cellulose. Glycogen. Starch.
glycogen, and cellulose.
Yes,
Chitin.
chitin. So that are
Chitin.
example of polysaccharides. The starch, muna example ni pasta and rice. So muna siyang ginagamit for energy storage sa mga plants. Si glycogen naman is muna siya ang ginagamit for energy storage sa mga animals. Then si cellulose is muna siya ang makita nato sa plants. Kailan ba mag-cell? Makita
Yes,
mo
ma'am.
sa to cell. Diba sa plants is natin makita ang cell wall?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you familiar with that term? Cell wall?
Outer wall, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And chitin, mo ni siya ang ma-form nga exoskeleton of an insect. Are you familiar with this term?
Yes, ma'am.
Exoskeleton sa insect.
Dili
Kasabot
kayo
ba?
yan.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayo. So, nakasabot ba mo sa concepts and terms?
Yes, ma'am.
So, again, what are the three classification of carbohydrates?
Monosaccharides, disaccharides, polysaccharides.
Very good. So let's try this one. And I want you answer to chat in the box. So identify if it is a monosaccharides, disaccharides, or a polysaccharide. So let's start with glycogen. Start your answer in the chat box.
Si ma'am.
What is the answer? Monosaccharides, poly? It is a polysaccharide. How about the honey? Is it monosaccharides, disaccharides, or polysaccharides? The honey. Yes, tama si Malaki. It is disaccharides. How about the blood sugar? Is it mono, di, or poly? The blood sugar. Very good. It is a polysaccharide. How about the table sugar? Is it poly, di, or mono?
Mono.
Yes, it is a monosaccharide. How about the chitin? The chitin. Very good, Ansel. It is polysaccharide. So before we end this discussion, let's try to answer this following question. Explain and elaborate what is biomolecules. Galliano? Is Galliano here? Galliano? Wala si Galliano. Dilabahan. Answer question number 1 or the bullet 1. Explain and elaborate what is biomolecules. Wala? Hermosilia.
Ako ma'am.
Yes.
Ay, didura man ni ma'am.
Sige, Dora. Try to answer the bullet 1.
One ma'am. Explain and elaborate what is biomolecules. Biomolecules are molecules produced by living organisms. They are essential components of life and play crucial roles in various biological processes.
Very good. And what our body can get with these biomolecules? Dora. It is a follow-up question.
Energy, ma'am.
Very good. It is energy. How about question number 2? How important the carbohydrates in our body? Arson? Ay, isa to.
Ako ma'am.
Okay, you may. Go ahead. Asa na to siya?
Marzo. Oy, ako na ma'am. Importante ni siya ma'am kay primary research ni siya itong labas pa niya. Muna siya naghahatag siya power sa daily activities ma'am.
Yes, you're right. So it is the main source of energy and they fuel us to stay active every day. Tama ba?
Yes ma'am.
Very good. How about the question number 3? What is the classification of carbohydrates?
Ako ma'am.
Sugar and sugar. Go ahead.
Ako ma'am.
Go ahead.
Well, ma'am, what are those 3 classifications of carbohydrates and different na simple sugar and complex sugar? Well, ma'am, ang una ma'am kaya itong monosaccharides ma'am, matong mga simple sugars made up of a single sugar molecule. Ang pagkadwa ma'am kay disaccharides ma'am, katong sugars made out of 2 monosaccharide ma'am.
Yes.
Ang polysaccharides ma'am kaya itong mga complex carbohydrates na ma'am. Daghan na kayo siya ma'am. Ang kalay ang differentiation sa simple and complex sugar ma'am kay ang simple sugars ma'am kay kuan ma'am made up of 1 or 2 sugar molecules lang ma'am niya kanang pantalian lang nga energy ma'am ba burst of energy lang Ya, ang complex ma'am kay kato lang dagan na kay nga sugar molecules ma'am nga long term siya mga tag energy ma'am.
Excellent question. So, very good. Tama ba ko? Franco to, no?
Dora ma'am.
Dora. Sorry. Yes, very good. It is very excellent answer. So, last question. What did you learn on today's lesson?
Ma'am.
May nag-raise hand. Isa to.
Marzo.
Okay, Marzo.
Tanti juga ni ma'am kay protein ma'am gahatag na siya muscle ma'am nakabalo na ko ma'am niya ang pagkaon ni sa kulay ma'am kay gaano sa tong lawas ma'am ba gahatag siya good benefits ma'am niya ang katong ano ma'am ang carbohydrates ma'am mo na siya ang nagasupply ng energy tong lawas para makahatag siya mga ma-energy ta sa tong daily activities ma'am mao ra to ma'am.
Outstanding. Who wants to share pa? Isa mo si Cutie Plax.
Cartagenas.
Okay, you may Cutie Plax. Si Cartagenas, ne?
Yes, ma'am.
Kuan lang ma'am about the carbohydrates ma'am. Naingon na ang kuan ma'am ang nasabtan ma'am tong maghatag og energy sa body ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for that, Cartagenas. So, pedaga naman mong natunan. So, let's have a quiz. So, I want you to get a piece of paper and a pen. Ini scratch lang or ano basta na may masulatan sa inyong answer. So I'll give you 20 seconds to do that. So I'll start the time, ha.
Ma'am, pwede i-pause ang video ka dito, ma'am.
Oh, sure.
Thank you, ma'am.